Hello and welcome to a Digital Diamond Baseball version 9 tutorial on how to replay the 2021 season in real time. The first thing you're going to need to do before we get any further in this video is to make sure you've watched the Importing from Baseball reference video, which is located in the Digital Diamond Baseball Steam guide, user guide. It's shown here. I will also include a link to this video to make sure you can get to it quickly and easily. You need to watch that video and understand how to import from Baseball Reference before you can start playing the 2021 season in real time. Okay, in the diagram here, I'm showing you a picture that explains how this will take place. The very first library that will be posted will contain a real-life schedule, and all of the games will have been played from 4/1 through Sunday, the 11th of April. You can see this green bar represents those games having been played. The simulated schedule, which is shown in pink or purple, has no games yet played. You haven't simulated any. So when you download and install this library, the library you get has stats through 4/11, and you've played none of the games. So your first step is to download that library and have some fun. Play the games from 4/1 all the way through to 4/11. Once the games that you have simulated is caught up to the date 4/11, the date that the real-life schedule had been played through, you're going to have to download the latest stats from Baseball Reference as of 4/18, which is exactly 1 week past the first date. Once you download all the data then from Baseball Reference, you're going to need to import it into your library. So your library now has data or stats for all of your players through 4/18. Once you've reached that point, you're ready to have some fun and play again. So you'll simulate the games all the way up to 4/18 again, and then you're ready to download the stats again. This time, the stats should be all the way through 4/25, another week beyond. Then once your library is updated with stats through 4/25, you're ready to replay the games from the current where you left off all the way up to the simulated schedule of 4/25/21. And you'll continue to import data, expanding this green bar throughout the real life schedule, and then playing games, expanding the purple star line to catch up. And you keep doing that until you reach the end of the season. Okay, so now we're just going to do a quick review of what you'll have to do slightly differently with your import when you're doing it for the real-time 2021 season. And a lot of this should look familiar to you because of the video that you've already watched on how to import statistics from Baseball Reference. After you've downloaded all the files that you'll need for the 2021 season, you're going to select that folder with all the files, and then you're going to choose the autofill button here to pre-populate all of the fields with the data that you've downloaded. Don't forget to enter the year that you're importing as well. And this up here is the main difference. It's very important that you select real-time stats import. This is what will tell Digital Diamond Baseball that you're replaying the season as it unfolds. And what it'll do is it'll start creating transactions. So any player that is not played in the period in which you're importing, their record will be disabled or inactive. The player will be inactive, and they won't be able to play in that 2-week period when you do the replay. So when players aren't playing in real life, they will be inactivated in your library. And when they play again, they'll be reactivated. So just to summarize, you want to select the folder that has all of the data you download from Baseball Reference, autofill it, enter the year, and then be sure to choose real-time stats import before you import the data. And then once you're done importing, you're ready to replay the next week of stats. Enjoy!